What's up guys, it's Nick and Gia and we are currently in Istanbul, about to leave, and this is our apartment tour of our apartment in Beyoğlu. Welcome!
Yeah, we're currently in the Beyoğlu neighborhood on the European side of here in Istanbul. We preferred Kadıköy a bit. But the European side has a lot to offer as well. We really enjoyed it over here.
This is like my favorite apartment that we've had, I think, on the road. It's super spacious. The kitchen is like a little maze though to get to.
Yeah, it's like a hallway. Like here, show them like the dining room. It's way out there, and it's a pretty narrow little hallway. But it's got a really nice stove, sink, all the necessities that you would want.
They have also in this Airbnb they have so many plates and cups. I feel like it's a constant challenge to get like more than 5 cups and plates in an area in an Airbnb.
Yeah, there's so many here. So many like little extras that makes it feel like an actual home that somebody lived in and not like a hotel.
So our Airbnb has 2 bedrooms, but the living room also has a couch that folds down into a bed, and this thing is honestly really comfortable. We have fallen in love with the cool colors that we have over here. I love the decorations in this one.
Yeah, we've got these beautiful pink chairs right here, and then over here we've got these like oranges tan chairs. And I don't know, it was really set up nice in here, and it just felt like a home immediately. It's got some wall art there, we've got some more here. And all in, this apartment only cost us $600 US, a little more than 600, I think maybe 620, 625. And for the amount of space, it's honestly way bigger than what we need, but we couldn't pass up the deal when we found it, and it had great Wi-Fi, which is super rare for Turkey.
We've been spoiled with this, and we're honestly so sad to leave.
Yeah, we're about to move into a Parisian attic, so the next apartment tour video is not going to be as glamorous as this.
Welcome to my office! Typically I do all my work over here. And then this one also folds down, I think, into another bed as well.
We never used this one for the bed, we just didn't need it, but we wanted Gia to have a private office area for her to be able to do her teaching, so I could do other work in the other room. And when it was well within our budget to get this extra space, we figured, why not? If you open up this cupboard right here, or this wardrobe, I guess, it is full of books that we can't read. But if we could read Turkish, this would be a great feature.
Ooh, show them the balcony as well.
Oh yeah, we have a great little balcony out here. Let's see. It's a little damp outside because it just rained and it's the middle of the night, but you can see that pretty good. It's got a beautiful street view. You can come all the way out here. I wish that we could say that we made use of this balcony. We didn't go out there once the whole time we lived here.
It was so cold.
Yeah, it was cold. We came to Istanbul in the winter, and that might honestly be a big reason why we got this apartment for such a good deal. But yeah, that would be a great feature if you were here literally any other time of the year.
Here's our bathroom. 1 bathroom. And we also have an in-unit washer and dryer, which has been super nice.
It's super nice. The shower, sorry. Well, I was just
No,
gonna say
I was speaking actually.
Alright, go ahead.
We have Miss Mona.
Oh yeah, we have Miss Mona, which is a bit of a tease for Paris. But yeah, the shower is the only thing I really would complain about in this apartment. It either is scorching hot or incredibly cold, and there's absolutely no in between.
I choose the scorching hot option.
Oh yeah, and if you use any other water feature in the house, a faucet, sink, anything, the water just stops. So that's unfortunate.
Welcome to our bedroom. We have a ton of wardrobe space over here for our clothes and our dresses and more dresses and more dresses.
Yeah, Gio went crazy online and bought so many dresses that we've had to spend. Oh, that's stuck. I don't know. But yeah, we've had to spend the last several hours trying to fit everything in our suitcases, which has been a bit of a nightmare. It's 2 in the morning right now. We did. It looks so orderly now. You would have no idea by looking at that how much of a nightmare this was, but this was several hours of work. But yeah, that is the apartment. We're going to put some clips in as well of the street view during the daytime. If you come over here, I'll show you a little bit of it at night. It's a little quiet right now. But the biggest benefit of this apartment is the location. So right up there, I'll put a clip over top of this, but that is a quiet little side street right off of Istanbul Street. So within 5-10 minute walk, if that even, probably more like 2 or 3, you are right in the tourist center of Istanbul. But we're on a very, very local, very cool, quiet side street, which is really nice because, you know, when we were in Hanoi, we spent a lot of time living right in the heart of Old Quarter, which got pretty tiring at times.
It was so loud. So it is nice that it's quiet over here in Istanbul.
Yeah, it's been great. It's been really great for our work, and we've just really enjoyed the city, and we're very, very sad to see it go.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe, please, 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 please.